Welcome to release question number 43 for the geometry CST release questions. It says, what is the area in the square or in square units of the trapezoid shown below? So we can assume this is a trapezoid, and we know that trapezoids have one pair of parallel sides, and we know the area of any trapezoid should be, it's the average of the bases, so it's the 1/2 of B1 plus B2. That's the average of the bases. I'm going to call this one B1. I'm going to call this one B2 times the height. Times the height. Where this comes from, you could think of a rectangle. I'll just do this quickly if you haven't ever learned why the formula of the trapezoid is that. This is just a quick refresher on that, or a quick recap of that. Notice this rectangle, the length from here to here would be the average of these bases. It would be B1 plus B2 divided by 2. That would give you the point from 0 to that point. And then you would just multiply that, which would be the new base of this rectangle, times the height. That's why this works out. That's why it works out the way it does. So that said, though, what is base 1? What is one of these bases? I'm going from, in my x values, I'm going from 0 to 8. So that's a difference of 8. Here, my base 2, I'm going from 0 to 12. So that's a difference of 12. So I'm going to have 1/2 of 8 plus 12 times the height. How high am I going up? I'm going from 0 to 5 for my y values. So I'm going to plug in a 5 right there. This would be 1/2 of 20 times 5. Half of 20 is 10, and 10 times 5 is 50. Our final answer for number 43 is choice C.